If you've ever wondered whether you really need Microsoft Word or if WordPad is enough, this video will break down the key differences and help you decide which tool fits your needs in 2025. Both allow you to create documents, but they're built for very different purposes. Let's start with Microsoft Word. Word is a full-featured, professional-grade word processor known for its powerful tools and flexibility. Whether you're creating resumes, reports, research papers, letters, or business documents, Word gives you everything you need: advanced formatting, templates, styles, tables, images, mail merge, collaboration, and strong compatibility with just about any system. It integrates well with Microsoft 365 apps, making it ideal for students, professionals, and remote workers. The only trade-off is cost, since Word requires a Microsoft 365 subscription, and its wide set of features can feel overwhelming for very simple tasks. Now let's look at WordPad. WordPad is a basic text editor that comes free with Windows. It's simple, fast, and perfect for quick notes, short documents, or anything that doesn't require complex formatting. You can change fonts, adjust text size, and insert simple images, but that's about it. WordPad doesn't support advanced tools like styles, citations, headers and footers, or track changes. It also has limited file support, and it's not ideal for formal documents or anything that needs to look polished. In fact, Microsoft has already begun phasing out WordPad, meaning it may no longer receive updates moving forward. So, which one should you choose? Go with Microsoft Word if you need professional layouts, advanced features, document editing tools, or anything you plan to submit, print, or share formally. Word gives you precision and reliability. Choose WordPad only if you need something extremely simple: quick notes, temporary drafts, or basic text editing without all the extras. Since WordPad is disappearing, it's no longer the best long-term choice for most users. If this comparison helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative tech videos.